ChatGPT has always been amazing for learning and research, but this new edX plugin has supercharged ChatGPT's ability to teach you. So let's dive right in. Here, let's go to the edX plugin. So what this plugin allows you to do is search for top courses from top universities in the edX catalog, which is so exciting. So you can say, find me a top physics course from a top university. And here it shows you a breakdown of potential courses on physics. So you could go ahead, and this is from Georgetown University, this is from Rice University. So let's say you were interested in this introduction to astrophysics. You would go ahead and click, brings you to the edX website. You can see when you can enroll and all the relevant information. And wow, that's nice, isn't it? Here is a little description, what you're going to learn, and some testimonials, and here you can meet the instructors. You can enroll by clicking here. You can see the different ways to enroll. Obviously, there are more benefits for the paid tier. You can click through and get the different information about the course, languages. You could also say, look for the top 10 programs for beginners for machine learning. And here it didn't give us 10, but it gave us some options for machine learning. This one's by Google, this one's by IBM. So let's go ahead and click on the Google. Now we can see what we will learn in this course. You can see the time, the cost, and it goes on to the chain of the program, going into Job Outlook. You can meet your instructors, or you could browse related topics. You can search lessons for API integration. So this went ahead and found some different lessons inside of courses. So we're not searching for the course itself, we had a very specific question. So we would go ahead and click on this lesson, which is inside of a greater course. You would register and enroll in the course, and then the video would be available to see. And you could also say, search videos for quantum computing. It tells you which course the videos are from, and you can go ahead and click the video. This went ahead and actually downloaded onto my computer, and you could play the video here. So I went and used my favorite plugin prompt to see what ChatGPT would recommend as the specific functions and capabilities of this plugin. And you can see that it breaks down edX's database into courses, programs, degrees, boot camps, executive education, lessons, videos, and quizzes. So you can search for programs on a topic, courses on a topic, and lessons on a specific topic, or even a specific video. So I've come across a lot of free options for courses with a paid upgrade and paid options for programs and boot camps. So this plugin specifically is more of a way to search through edX's website natively in ChatGPT. But it's exciting that so much learning is just at your fingertips.